Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Wednesday. So I've already made two of these bracelets, and I'm going to go ahead and make the sister bracelet to these two. So it'll be a pretty quick video. I just need to get, get some work done. So, oh, and thank you for letting me know I got those beads at Hobby Lobby. I wasn't sure where I got them at because sometimes I'll be forgetting. Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's, Amazon, I don't know. And then there's a couple of places on Etsy I'll be buying some beads from. And sometimes I just forget. Just be so much going on. And also there was a question about how do I get my logo on the video. What I do is I have the logo, and if you need to remove the background from your logo, you can go to photoroom.com. And when you go to photoroom.com, you're going to upload your logo, and you're going to select remove background. And I think it says transparency or something, but you're going to remove the background. And then once you do that, you'll download the transparency file, and whatever software that you're using to make your to upload your videos or edit your videos, it should allow you to upload that file and then overlay it. So it'll allow you to take the image and bring it over onto the video, and then you just position the logo wherever you want it. And I think they call it, what do they call it? Not a picture, maybe picture. It's either picture in a picture or overlay. I think it's an overlay because it allows you to put the image on top of the video, and then you put it wherever you want to put it at. It's a real simple process depending on the editing software that you're using. I'll answer the comment as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try these beads and see if they... So right now, to me, they don't look like they will match, but I'm going to see if I can make them match because I do want them to be a little different. So I'm going to use some of these black and gold beads to see if I can make this bracelet match with that bracelet. Let's see, where's my... And it should match with these beads because these black beads are on here. And somebody was saying that they use a lot of black to create, and she's trying to get more into colors. And I'm the reverse. I use a lot of color, and black is very elegant to me, and it's just something about black. And the thing is, I wear a lot of black. Like I have, I don't know how many long black dresses in different styles, crew necks, V-necks, turtlenecks, the long sleeves. I think they call it quarter length sleeves. I don't wear short sleeves. I don't be doing all that, or even sleeveless dresses. I don't wear sleeveless dresses either. Oh yeah, that's gonna match. And then I'm gonna put a couple white beads on here. But I had said that when I found those black beads, I was like, man, I do need to use a little bit more black. I bought some 8mm at Hobby Lobby the other day, and that was the reason why I bought them, because my mind was like, okay, you know what, I want to try black a lot more. I don't want to get locked in to just trying a bunch of black, but I do like color. So this is what that looks like, and I think it is going to match. And I think what I'm going to do, put a couple more red beads on here. Definitely make it match, because the other bracelet, both of those have these little red spacers. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with, of course, none other than our bone beads. Our bone beads. Let's hear it from the crowd. Woo-hoo! I'm going to have to go get some more of these too. They're really convenient for fillers. You know, all these different sizes, and they make for really nice bracelets. I'm gonna try to use mostly this color right here, ivory. Just kind of close it off. Just throw some. I think you guys be calling this a bead soup. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. Just be grabbing some beads and putting them on here, and that already looks good as a finish. I did find a lot of these beads with, you can see that little bitty piece in there. It's like a little bitty mint. I don't know what that is, but it almost looks like a seed bead, but smaller than a seed bead. When I was at the post office today, it was a lady in there, and she was just a chit-chatting. I mean, she was just going on about Thanksgiving and Christmas and the holidays and all that good stuff. And she was asking me something, and I was like, well, no, I won't be doing anything for Thanksgiving. And she said, not with the family, like not doing. And I was like, well, no, ma'am, I won't be doing a thing for Thanksgiving, okay? And she just kept going on and on, like, really? I was like, yeah, I won't be doing a thing for Thanksgiving. I'll probably be working, but I'm not going to be doing a thing for Thanksgiving. And she said, well, not so much the Thanksgiving with the food and the eating and all that kind of stuff. She said, well, just family. And I said, yeah, well, I see my family all the time. And they do understand that that's me. I won't be doing Thanksgiving. Now, Christmas. Now, if you was talking about Christmas is a whole nother story. But Thanksgiving ain't about nothing but eating up a whole bunch of food and sleeping all day. That's Thanksgiving. But no, I won't be doing all that. And my whole thing is too, I don't get into that spending all the money and, doing all that cooking and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But that looks nice like that with all those different colors on there like that. But she was so excited, bless her heart. I'm like, well, no, ma'am. I won't be a part of that little party. My people already know. Don't be calling me for no Thanksgiving. You can bring me some turkey and dressing, but don't expect me. Now, Christmas is something different. I want all my gifts just like they want theirs. Okay? And then therein is where all the fun is. And I had told her that too. I said, if you think about it, towards the end of the year is when all the eating starts, because it starts at Halloween. It might even start before then, huh? Because is it Labor Day picnics and all that kind of stuff? Labor Day barbecues and stuff. So toward the end of the year is basically when all the eating and stuff happens. And I'm not trying to get into all that. I've never been into all that. I did Christmas though. I decorate everything for Christmas, like my whole entire house and the inside. I put lights all out, everything. I changed the pillows to have Christmassy trees and all that kind of stuff, and the table. I'll put decorations all on the tables. It just be Christmas all up in here, okay? Because I really like Christmas, the whole everything about it. But I ain't too thrilled about Thanksgiving now. She was so excited. I hate to just, take that excitement from her. But she was like, well, really? And I was like, well, yes, ma'am. And then I have to say, well, I'll be working a lot, so my people know. She said, okay, well, that's different. And I said, yeah, well, no, I see my people all the time, so they know I've been doing this for years. Okay, so these did come out matching good. See, I like that. I like the different prints on the beads. To just have that whole different. I really like these. I need to order some more white beads. I was supposed to do that earlier today, but I forgot. So I'm gonna order me some more white beads. Actually, I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? And see if they got a little sale on. And if they got a sale, actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna go on Amazon and try to get me a hundred beads or so. And then the white beads, because JC had, or JC, where'd you get those white beads from that you had sent me? Can you put the link down there in the comment section for me? Because I want to get some more of those white beads. These are the white jade beads, but I don't think these are the ones you sent me. You sent me a bag of white beads, and I think it had like over 100 white beads in it. So if you could remember where you bought them from, that would be great. And then put the link down there for me, please. But I like these. I don't think I'm going to put charms on them either. These look great just like this. The different patterns. And then the colors just match them real good. But anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. I am going to sit here and make some more bracelets and do some more stuff. And got to get this inventory up. But anyway, guess what? We'll talk.